Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Check out my little pumpkin. Can you believe we're in October? Where has this year gone? Well, I know where it's gone. COVID happened and it ruined the whole year for everyone, but we're not dwelling on that. We're not, because we're in October now and it's all things spooky. So this is the Lush subscription box for the month of October. I'm so excited. I haven't seen any spoilers, so I don't know what's inside. So without further ado, let's open the box. Oh, right, I'll show you what it looks like. Treat. Look, it's even got like a little ghost on the bottom of it. Oh, that's so cute. I wonder if some people got trick and some people got treat. Look, it's got like a little ghoulie on the bottom of it. But I don't want to look too much at that because it's going to have spoilers. Right, so let's have a look. First thing I am pulling out. Demon in the shower. Oh my God, that sounds amazing. Right, this is Peppermint Infusion. Let's have a sniff. I think is there glitter in there as well? Whoa, that is blow your socks off pepperminty. Oh, I like it. Oh my God, is it black? It looks black inside, but I don't want to it is actually black. Oh, that's wicked. I don't know how much of this I'm going to be able to show you. Look. It's actually black inside. That is amazing. Oh, I love Halloween. Look, you can see I've got a bit of black on me. Oh, lovely. So it says how to use. Get in the shower, unleash the demon in the bottle and lather all over for a devilishly good clean. Oh, I'm really excited to try that. I'm really happy with that one. God, I love Halloween so much. Right, what's next? Shut up. Oh, I love it. Look. Oh, it's a little bath bomb, but it's like a sugar skull. You know, like the Mexican sugar skulls. Oh, that's amazing. I actually love that. Oh, what is that smell? I'm gonna have to look at the spoilers. This is skullduggery. Skullduggery, that's wicked. What does it say? Where is it telling me about it? It's not telling me much. Citrus acid, cream of tartar, lime oil. I can smell that, I think. Yeah, it smells very citrusy, and that. Oh, I love. Do you know what? I don't even think I'm going to use that. I'm going to put this. So I don't know if you saw my video a little while ago, but I bought from Home Bargains. I bought like a candy jar, like it's a clear candy jar, and I'm going to put that inside because lives in my bathroom. I'm going to put that inside it. I'm not going to use it. I think that's amazing. I love it. What's next? Okay, I've got something green and jelly. So this is a shower jelly. And what is that called? Clacus? I think it's meant to be calluses, but it's written kind of funny. Let's have a look. That's wicked. Oh, look. Oh my God, don't fall out. Don't fall out. Look at that. Oh my God, I love it. It's a shower jelly. I had one of these at Christmas time, and it was a Santa Claus, I think. But I love the colour of this. Look how green that is. I wonder if I can get it out and put it back in. Oh, shut up. It's not. I actually think that's in the shape of a skull. Oh, I don't know how much you're going to be able to see it. Let me see if I can hold it up. Can you make it out that it's actually it's in the shape of a skull? Okay, that's even more impressed me. Oh, I really hope you can see it. It's like faintly in a skull shape. It definitely is. It definitely is. I can see it. That's wicked. That's wicked. And that smells citrusy as well. It says what's inside counts. Neroli oil lifts the spirits with its cheerful flora aroma. Right, that's wicked. I really like that. I'm loving this month's box. What else have we got? What are you? Okay, I've got a bar. Whoa. That is amazing. Oh, look at that, soap bar. And it says Lush on the side there. Let's have a look at this one. It's got seeds in it. Pumpkin spice. Oh, that smells so good. So it says rapeseed oil, coconut oil, maple syrup water. I can smell that, definitely. That is brilliant. So this is Owl's Pick by the looks of it. Oh, it just smells, it smells so good, like you want to eat it, but I won't. Oh, it just smells amazing, but I love that. So we have a pumpkin spice soap bar. Okay, so it should be just one more thing left. So what have we got here? Shut up, I love it. It's a little wizard with his hat. Look, he's got a little star. Oh, I actually love that. Oh, it's like Harry Potter. Oh, that's so cool. And he's like pearlized as well. Oh, that's really good. That smells... What are you? So you are called Wizard, aptly named. What are you saying? Look, he actually matches my lips, look. Oh, I actually love him. And it's got in it sodium carbonate. None of this means anything to me. Cornstarch, fennel oil, ylang ylang, cream of tartar, all the usual bits and bobs. But I can show you the card now. Oh, I'm really intrigued. I've got all like purple. Look, love it. I'm really intrigued to know whether some people got trick and others got treat. I'm gonna have to watch some YouTube videos and see what everyone else got. But loving it. So it says here, so this is Owl's Pick. It says, my inspiration for the calicus was Dia de los Muertos. I can't say English words, let alone Mexican words. Mexican Day of the Dead Festival. Love it, love it. The uplifting lime and neroli scent seems the perfect tribute to this vibrant celebration of spirituality. See, I told you that was like a Day of the Dead mask on the bottom. It's definitely a sugar skull in there. Amazing. I love this box. So this is everything we got. So this is the Demon in the Shower. We've got the Demon in the Shower gel. Then next up was the little Day of the Dead Skullduggery. Love that bath bomb. Then we got this one here, which is there. That's the Calicus. Next up we got was the bar of soap in pumpkin spice. Loving that. And last but not least, my favourite little wizard, Harry Potter. This one is just the wizard and he looks amazing. I'm so chuffed with everything that's in this box. I love Halloween anyway. It's always been such a fun time of year for me. I actually haven't done any Halloween looks this year. I'm not sure why. I just haven't got round to doing any. But let me know in the comments down below if you want to see some sort of Halloweeny look from me and I'll get working on it. But I'm absolutely loving this kitchen box. I love them every month anyway, but because it's Halloween themed, I think it just makes it that extra bit special. So I can't wait to see what Christmas is going to be like. Wow. Right. Okay. So that was everything that was in the box. Thank you so much for sticking with me and watching to the end. I really, really appreciate it. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button down below and I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah! I actually love these. Wow. Oh, love it.